This is how I feel to have a winning streak, baby. Rockin' shit you can't pull off.
Look at this view, guys. I just found a railroad or something here in Michigan by Stepping Stone Park. Hi, babe. How do you like it?
It's really beautiful. Bless you.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's like a bunch of, bless you.
Thank you.
A bunch of rocks, a lot of greenery, as you guys can see. It's really nice out here.
Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit.
Hopefully we catch a fish. We're obviously gonna release it back, guys. It's just, you know, it's gonna be for fun.
You look beautiful.
Bless.
Thanks. Natalie's here sick.
Yeah, yo.
Who gets sick on vacation? Not even a vacation.
Not even a vacation, bro.
And Julian, Julian.
Yo. Fishing.
Fishing.
Oh my god.
Oh, got one.
You're lying.
Got one.
You're lying.
Got one.
Hey! I got that on camera.
That boy got one.
I caught it on camera.
Good job, homie.
Oh my god. Who we're gonna name you? Pablo. Pablo. Pablito. Ah! How do you feel about catching your first
Fish in Michigan?
Fish in Michigan, bro.
It's crazy, bro. Take me a picture.
Ten cuidado, chill out.
You almost lost your first fish.
We need a picture to show proof.
Good picture, bro. Hold on.
Hey.
I don't know why, but I find this so cute. Like that little water stream.
Okay, so they finally
Right, babe?
made it official.
I always say right, babe.
You gotta have that
I
confirmation.
always want babe to agree with me. But isn't that so cute?
Yeah, baby.
It's like you know you're not in Miami.
That's how you make my heart flutter.
They finally
That's what it looks like.
We're gonna go someplace called, what is it called? Stepping Stone.
Yeah.
We thought this was it, but it's not. This is like a railroad or something.
Wrong stop.
Yeah, but it was still beautiful. Thank you. Like my woman. At least it in my line.
Girl.
I was gonna say that, you just took the words right out of my mouth. I gotta always say it so fast.
Thank you.
I'm alive!
This is how I hold you.
You grabbed me by my vagina. What the fuck?
No, that was so close to my face. Go limbo. Oof. Did you peep that bruise already? I swell up fast. Oh no, it really hurt though.
Let me see your forehead, your white ass.
And I got a big forehead.
Not
She's
that
gonna
big,
get like
bro.
that big. I'm gonna have a fat
Let me
knot.
see what you have. A forehead?
Oh yeah, I got a forehead. Forehead.
What am I supposed to have? 2 head?
Yeah, she got like a 3 head, 2 head.
Yo, look at those white things. Dragonfly right there.
This is so cool. I didn't take a video of
I thought you needed like...
Whoa, you saw?
What was that?
I don't know. I want to go with.
Nelly's lost it. Nelly's sick. Girl, hurry up before you get murdered.
Murdered!
Oh, hell no.
No, but P probably built this.
Oye, oye, oye. Está un poquito. I got it, babe. Go, go, go. Yeah. Come on, sis. You're gonna need help.
Why would I need help?
Yeah.
I'm a bad bitch.
Alright guys, just make
You're a
sure
what?
your feet, babe, you gotta make sure your feet are steady. It's fango.
No way.
Wait. Oh my god. Watch me sneeze and fall off.
Go, sis.
Do I
Guys,
have
look what she has to go through. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go.
No, I think I'm good right here.
You're a pussy. Everybody, comment in the comment section who agrees Nayeli's a pussy. Pussy!
Where are you guys going now, bro?
We're traveling. Cross the log. This girl's sick as hell. She's fucking blowing her nose before crossing the log. If you stare at it too much, you're gonna fall in.
I wanted to take a video.
Look, is that a, what is that? Oh, that's the log. I was like, is that a crocodile?
I don't think
No.
crocodiles here.
What
That
the
was-
fuck? That really did look like one.
That- Sis, come on, bro. You're sick, and I need to keep an eye out on you. And you're like the last one.
Good.
Girl, somebody could take you. Let's go.
What?
Come on.
I gotta put music so I can chill.
Oh my god, I almost slipped. Fuck my life. This is not the place for me. This is the place where I die if I was alone.
Oh my god, I was about to sneeze.
It was over there, bro. Over there. That way? Right there by that thing over there. More to the right.
That was a good throw though.
Look at these. Focus. Ah, Nayeli, yo. Such a bitch. Look at that.
Probably blueberry.
No, I wouldn't fucking. Try it and find out.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. I'm just kidding.
Going out for like 5 days and shit.
Time to go back up this thing.
I'm going the savage way.
Fuck, I'm gonna go that way too.
Ooh. Yeah, this bitch. Poor Nayeli.
Hey, you're passing the park.
We found the right park, guys. Stepping Stone Park.
Look, babe, look at the water thingy.
Is that to drink water?
That's a water source.
Is it drinkable? I'm thirsty as fuck.
But I don't think so. Now I'm fishing in there.
Hard worker. Look.
Look down.
Yeah, there's a bunch of dog shit. Be careful.
Yo, everyone's telling me that the roads are fucking safe today.
Stuff on the bag.
I have someone driving back from both of them.
Fish.
From the right of us.
Fish.
Look at those. Look.
Look, Amanda.
Look, guys. The fishes. Hmm. I can't wait to see that water. Me and Julian always are exploring by ourselves because we want to see more litter fucking things. I could hear it. What is this guy looking at? Guys, look, he really wants to see something. Oh, I could hear the water. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I hear it.
Thoughts?
Look at this. Wow. Wow, this is pretty.
Check this out, guys. Big ass waterfall next to us. I'm the reporter from Hurricane Irma. There's nothing in this bitch. You know, we're doing jumping jacks. Look at all of them.
When you don't fuck with squad.
Hey, alone as fuck. You don't fuck with the squad. I found this cute like little where you can see the water real close. Hold on. I want to see the water real close. Look at that. Look guys, look at all this beauty. Look at this shit right here. Ready to go up there?
It's hot as fuck. And it's so dry over here, guys. Like,
It's like cold as fuck at night and then hot as fuck
for real.
during
So
the
it's
day.
like, it makes my lips like so dry.
And my hair's all fucked up, guys. So I feel like shit. I've never been so happy to see the truck. I need water. 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 There's no fucking water in Flint, y'all. The fucking water's contaminated, so we gotta go get some bottled water.
Let's do it.
I need water.
I don't give a fuck.
No one gives a fuck.
Mom? Is that donuts?
Bro, look at this.
Mom?
Bro, look
Mom? Donna's Donuts.
Check it out, guys. That looks fire.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of a little like vlog that we did at a park that we found here in Flint, Michigan.
The shout out of the day goes to the road. Shout out to you, Madison Escobar.
Thank you so much for watching our videos.
Yeah, we appreciate you and we see all the spam that you give us, all the love you give us, and we appreciate it. We love you, and we wanted to let you guys know that if you are from Florida and if you have been going through the same situation that we would have possibly been in, we're here for you. We're, you know, if you want to talk, like, I'm pretty sure you guys are stressed the hell out because of the whole like not having power and electricity. So if you're down to just talk and, you know, vent shit out, or if you want to FaceTime and we can make you laugh, or, you know what I'm saying, like, whatever it may be, like, we're here. So we appreciate you. We love you guys. Always show us love. Our social media is going to be linked down below. And if you can, share, like, subscribe. You know how it goes. We love to see the family get bigger and bigger.
And for next videos,
whoever comments first, babe's having a little stuttering situation that happens to me all the time. So whoever that long ass nose.
for the next shout out, the person who comments first on this video is gonna get the next shout out. Okay guys, we love you and thank you so much for watching our videos.
We'll see you next time. Peace.
Hopefully home.
Hopefully. See you home.
Black Chelsea Bulls on. When, Louis Vuitton. You clipping coupons. Think it's a cool. Just hit the roof off. Used to sleep on a futon. Rings got a few on. Got go like a leprechaun. girl got a leopard on.